Hello everyone. If you are transferring your website from Wix to Hostinger and running into errors, this guide will walk you through the common issues and solutions to make the migration as smooth as possible. So start by downloading your website's content from Wix. Since Wix doesn't provide a direct export option, you will need to manually copy text, images, and any downloadable media. Use tools like Save Page As to back up HTML files or simply save important content in organized folders on your computer. Now log into your Hostinger account and go to the domain section and add your existing domain if you are transferring one. Make sure to adjust the DNS settings on Wix 2.2 Hostinger servers. Hostinger typically provides a name server like ns.1hostinger.com and ns2.hostinger.com in the control panel under the domain section. Now update these settings on Wix under domain management. On Hostinger, install WordPress or use another website builder to recreate your website. Now, after transferring content, visit each page on your new Hostinger site to check for errors, missing images, or broken links. Use a tool like Broken Link Checker to identify issues. This will make sure visitors don't encounter errors once your site is live. And that's it. Migrating from Wix to Hostinger can be challenging, but following these steps should make it easier. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.